Mastering advanced vocabulary, building a strong lexical foundation. Our first word of the 25th day is 1. Nosh. A. To snack or eat between meals. B. To snack on. Eat food enthusiastically or greedily. You can nosh to your heart's content. C. British. Noun, a snack. Food, a meal. They serve good nosh in the cafeteria. Filling the freezer with all kinds of nosh. 2. Touche, pronounced as touche a. Used as an acknowledgement during a discussion of a good or clever point made at one's expense by another person. You haven't contributed much this evening. How could I have? Touche. I do go on. B. In fencing, an acknowledgement of a hit by an opponent. Robert cried touche at once and lunged at me in accordance with my plan of campaign. 3. Unabashed, not disconcerted, not embarrassed, unapologetic, or ashamed. He was unabashed by the furor his words provoked. I have an unabashed love of food. 4. Riposte or riposte. A. A quick, clever reply to an insult or criticism. B. In fencing, a quick return thrust. C. Verb, to make a quick, clever reply. D. Verb, in fencing, to make a quick return thrust. His own comment yesterday was the perfect riposte. That would be the perfect riposte. 5. Barn burner. A. Something that is highly exciting or impressive. A very exciting or dramatic event, especially a sports contest. She won a barn burner of a debate against the party leader. Although the movie wasn't a barn burner in theaters, it has proved to be an outsized performer, first on Netflix and now on Disney+. 6. Elan. A combination of energy, enthusiasm, and style. She dances the role with such elan. He dismissed the criticism with some elan, laughing it off. 7. Hue. A. To uphold, follow closely, or conform, usually followed by to hew to the tenets of one's political party. B. Chop or cut something, especially wood or coal, with an axe, stick, or other tool. Master carpenters would hew the logs with an axe. C. To make, shape, smooth, etc., with cutting blows, to hew a passage through the crowd, to hew a statue from marble. They hewed logs to build a cabin. 8. Guff. A. Guff is foolishness. It's when you behave or speak in a meaningless or objectionable way. B. Insolent talk. His latest book has a lot of guff about conspiracies of one kind or another. She doesn't take guff from anybody. 9. Oriflamme. A banner, symbol, or ideal inspiring devotion or courage. The Oriflamme had gone, and so had the blue and silver banner, but here were desperate men ready to fight to the death. 10. Affront. A. An action or remark that causes outrage or offense. He took his son's desertion as a personal affront. B. To cause offense to. Articles of this sort are an affront to those who died. C. To face in defiance, confront. If someone blows smoke in your face after you've asked him to put out his cigarette, you would consider it an affront. D. To appear directly before. Homelessness in all its forms is an affront to social justice, he said. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons. Remember, a word a day keeps your eloquence at play. Please subscribe and click the notification button.